Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your location online. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that click on one of your chats, and at the bottom of the screen click on that plus icon, and then you can see the location. Click on that, and then you can see your location, and if you want to share with someone, click on the share, and then that person can see your location by clicking on that message. And it's an easy way to share your location if somebody cannot find you. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.